Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in Sarasota, Florida, visiting Tommy Bahama Restaurant in St. Armand's Circle. This particular restaurant has some great menu items and a really nice atmosphere. Seats about 275 to 280 guests. Menu items are really interesting. Along with our usual favorites, there's an island slaw recipe that is really, really good. And we've included that recipe at the end of this video. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
I'm Caroline, welcome to Tommy Bahama.
Filling, pineapple chunks, and a coconut crust, and then the chocolate mole pie. It has an Oreo cookie crust, chocolate mousse filling, and heat bar on top with hot fudge as well.